Can you study? Really study for 10 minutes? I needed objective validation. A time tutor. And I found one in a kitchen timer shaped like a Pomodoro. These are the words of Francesco Cirillo, the guy who came up with the Pomodoro Technique. The name Pomodoro, which is Italian for tomato, was derived from the tomato-shaped kitchen timer he used during his experiments. Francesco struggled with productivity in his studies, and he pinpointed that the many distractions surrounding him were the culprits for his low output rate. The Pomodoro Technique is a simple-to-follow system to improve productivity. It has 4 main goals. First, better focus by limiting interruptions. Second, increased awareness of decisions made. Third, sustained motivation and determination. And fourth, improved work and study processes. So how does the Pomodoro Technique work? Step 1. It starts off by deciding what task from your to-do list you want to take on. This activity must be clear and well-defined. Step 2. After deciding, set your timer to 25 minutes and start your activity. It is important to note that you should be able to clearly see how much time is left. This period of time is called a Pomodoro. A Pomodoro is atomic, meaning that it is not divisible. It is the most basic unit of time for your activity. Pomodoros cannot be interrupted. It is intended to be 25 minutes of pure work. And you should do your best to protect your Pomodoro. So if you decide to watch online lecture videos, you are not allowed to check your messages at the same time. If a Pomodoro is decisively interrupted, that is considered invalid and is treated as if it had never been set. A new Pomodoro is needed to restart the voided one. In short, one activity, one focus. Step 3. Once your Pomodoro timer rings, put an X mark beside your activity. And then take a short break. Typically 3 to 5 minutes. This break is necessary, and must be taken regardless of work progress. This is in order to temporarily disconnect from your work. This also helps you to prepare for your next Pomodoro. During this break, avoid engaging yourself in tasks related to your activity. Do things such as drinking water, stretching, or walking. In short, do something else. Step 4. Repeat this cycle until 4 Pomodoros. By which time, you are required to take a longer break. Typically 15 to 30 minutes. Again, this break is reserved for the other things you want to do. It should not be too complex, nor related to your activity. The idea behind the disengagement is that through it, it actually allows you to give your best efforts for the next Pomodoro. Step 5. Complete your activity by working in one Pomodoro after the other. Initially, it does not matter how many Pomodoros you needed to finish the activity. However, it is important to record how many Pomodoros it took for you to finish the task. This is for benchmarking purposes and better time estimation for future similar tasks. So, does the Pomodoro Technique work? Well, the Pomodoro Technique has been used and tested in both the individual and team contexts. It has been proven to bring about positive effects on productivity and overall continuity of progress. It takes no time to learn and apply. And according to experiments, it takes about 7 to 20 days of continuous practice in order to master it. One of the benefits observed in applying the Pomodoro Technique is the altered notion of the passage of time. Instead of thinking of the passing of time negatively, the technique actually produced greater positive tension on the participants. This enabled better focus and decision-making. A Pomodoro is now seen as an opportunity to improve, or to re-evaluate and reorganize. Another observed result is the enhanced ability to manage complexities. Since tasks are allocated in Pomodoros, quantitative estimates were improved, such that more complex tasks can now be easily broken down further. So what do you think about the Pomodoro Technique? Would you give it a shot? Let us know by commenting down below. If you like this, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. For more insights about productivity and the overall influence of our minds to our everyday lives, please subscribe to this channel. This is the Bulletproof Mind. Train your mind. Train your life.